Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
And my name is Taylor Green, and this is actually a patient of mine. Came in to us very blocked up in just the one ear, actually, just the one side. And as you can see, we've got this very thin skin mixed in with a little bit of wax, very, very deep into the ear.
It's sort of all collapsing in, isn't it?
Yeah.
Straight away with that suction.
Yeah, so you can tell it's skin by that light, very thin material that's on the outer edge. So we've got a really big plug away from here, actually. We're doing really well so far.
That's good.
So we've got the standard size Zollner tube that we're using to take this away, and you can see these little bits jumping up at the suction.
So that would be like the little bits of wax then in there, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
And then this is, like this, because it's got those ripples down the side, so that looks like skin.
So it's obviously where the skin is not migrating as it should, and it's all kind of pushing up and folding in on each other.
Oh,
so there's another good piece there. So we, talking of skin ribbons, there is a pretty big one in this one. We're not gonna spoil the length for you, but let's just say records were broken again.
Stay tuned for the camera shot, for the ruler shots, guys. At the end, this is an immense one. This is a good one. I've seen it. It's immense. Well, that was another block of wax then, wasn't it?
Yeah, another block of wax there. So we've got the fine end on this time, just clearing up these little bits around the edges. I know we've got that deeper section that you can see there, but I'm sticking with the fine end here just to get a better grip on this skin, because I want to keep this all together. I know the standard size Zollner tube, the suction power, it's not very strong, but in some cases, as it starts pulling the skin away, it usually tears off quite quick. So I want to get a good grip on this.
You could see just a second ago then as you were pulling it, it was all sort of like concertina and out then.
Yeah. Oh, we just lost our grip there. Oh. So you'll see the resistance on this in a second. So I'm going to give this a little bit of a wiggle in a sec. Oh, a little bit broke off. Right, this is the part where we're going to start pulling this ribbon out. You see it almost like pull back into the ear canal. Yeah. That's when you know you've hit that. We were talking about that concertina, you know we've hit that bit. Take a look at this coming out.
Yeah, stay tuned for this one, guys. This is immense in this. So a little bit of a wiggle.
Yeah.
That's just frees up that bit of skin, gets it moving then, doesn't it?
So I'm like in deep focus now. Sorry, guys, I'm going to let you enjoy this one. It's still coming.
Yeah, we're still going.
Just lost our grip, so we're going to get another grip. And it's still going.
That is a lot, isn't it? They're really satisfying, these, aren't they?
And we're still going. Oh, there we are. It's just popped out.
My goodness me.
Oh, I do the like and the subscribe.
Oh yes, sorry, guys. If you do enjoy these videos and you particularly enjoyed that skin ribbon, you can always like, subscribe, follow, heart. That's how you say that. I never remember to ask people. We love to get new subscribers, and we had quite a few recently. So thank you so much for all those people who've been sharing the videos and all the new subscribers that have come along. We love having you on the channel, guys. Don't forget you can leave comments for us as well, both myself and Taylor even in the comment section. We don't always respond. We do read the comments. We do go through them. So if you don't mind leaving comments for us, that'd be absolutely fab. And those hearts and thumbs up were amazing. Thank you so much. So yeah, we've got this deep, really deep sort of medial portion of the ear canal right up against the tympanic membrane, down near the anterior recess in there as well. So it's really jammed.
Yeah, we are quite lucky in this case, because I was going very slow here, just as you could see that all lifting.
Yeah.
And this particular patient is quite lucky that the anterior recess is not very deep or
it's not too pronounced, is it?
Yeah. Because a lot of the time the ear canal can sometimes go into this sort of dip, and it's very, very difficult to see down into that with the two tools in at the same time.
That's looking a lot better, isn't it?
Yeah, that's much better.
Was the patient here much better with that one?
Oh, instant relief, instant relief. I'm not surprised, to be honest with you. You'll see in a second how much actually came out of this one.
If when you go back to about the middle of this video, just before that we started pulling the long ribbon out, take a look at, you can actually see how it concertinas away. You see as Taylor's pulling it, how it pulls away from that deeper section. It was all folded. Whoa!
Look at that.
That is, why is that? 13 centimetres?
Yeah, so that, I know it's a little bit, so that strip that we took away, I think my record up until now was 7 centimetres, but this has actually kind of shrunk a little bit once we took it out, but I think that was 7.5 centimetres, just that one ribbon that we removed. So was it 15 centimetres? I get a bit closer.
I can't remember, 10, 11, 12. No, I think we're up to about 13. I think
that's 13, is it?
Yeah, I think it's 13. Okay. Just over 5 inches though. We were talking about skin ribbons earlier. You're talking that migration that Taylor was referencing earlier from that sort of deeper, from the actual tympanic membrane to the medial section to the lateral section. That happens at roughly about 3 millimeters a month. So you're looking at something that's 7.5 centimeters, so 75 mil. That gives you some idea. You divide that by 3, and that gives you some indication of how long that ribbon's been building for. So how long this patient's been having these issues for as well. But I can't get over that. 13 centimeters. That is incredible.
Surprised me, to be honest.
Yeah, that is a huge amount. We need bigger rulers now, Taylor. We need bigger rulers.
Get the meter long ruler.
Well, guys, thank you so much for watching that video today. We hope you enjoyed it as much as me and Taylor did voicing that one over. So as always, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. And we'll both see you again real soon. Bye, everyone.
Bye.